I can't apologize, 'cause my fairy tale is you, me baby, for life. So why can't I fantasize? 'Cause I want you by my side when I stop dreaming. Be mine. I want you here, so am